Kapow! So, if at any time during this video you want to go check out my website, it's coinringmaker.com. It's also linked in my profile. I make a bunch of cool stuff out of coins, like rings and cowboy hats. So go check that out. This video, we're just going to be opening up some mail I got today. So we're going to have a little mail time. And it's going to be some pretty interesting stuff. There's no coins today. This is all like tool-based stuff. So we're going to get started here in, I don't know, maybe about a minute. We'll see if TikTok will send a couple more people in here. And then we'll open these up and see what I got. Yeah. All right, we got 20 people. Let's we'll start at 50. And we got 50 people. Right now we got 33. Y'all tap the screen. Let's see if we can get to 50 people in here. We got 44. That's pretty good. 58. All right. So we're just going to start cracking open these packages and see what I ordered for myself. We'll start with the middle one. Let me just tear that sucker open and see what's in here. Ooh, this looks interesting. Anybody know what this is? Any guesses? So what this is a copper paste that's going to make it a lot easier to solder copper wire together. So recently, I've been doing a little bit of experimenting with copper wire. This is the first like successful weave ring I made. But if you look back here, you can see it's not connected. So this paste has flux in it already. It's got copper in there. It's basically everything I need to solder this ring together in a nice, easy way. So it's gonna be fun to mess around with and see how well it works. I haven't done much soldering in the past, so I figure I'd start the easy way. So that'll be fun. All right, we'll go ahead and open up this big package. Let's see what's in there. This is interesting. All right, there may be some personal information on this, so give me a second. Alright, so this is basically a bunch of pretty simple necklaces, because I've had a few people recommend that I try and do like some pendants. Yeah, so I got some cord necklaces. We'll give that a try. Add a couple new product variations and see if they're sellers or not. What do you guys think of this cord? Is that ugly? I just tried to pick something that would be kind of basic and would look decent with the coins. I don't know. I don't really wear necklaces. And that's like the first thing I saw. And they sent me a little bonus necklace. Let's check this out. Oh, they sent a couple things. So there's like a little peace sign keychain. Some silver-plated earrings and another necklace. I think this one's a little thinner than these, but yeah, that's a nice little sample, huh? I like that. Very nice, very nice. All right, we've got one more package to open. It's gonna be this pink one here, and this one's taped up really good. I'm going to have to find a way to kind of cut it open. Scissors. I need to get some scissors. You know? They're pretty useful. There we go. We just cut it open with the deburring tool. That'll work. So these are pretty interesting. These are like rubber cones, right? Hello. And what you're supposed to do with this is you put this on a drill, and then, just for example, we'll grab a ring. You like put your ring on the cone like this, and then as it spins, it allows you to clean the outside of it a lot easier. So a lot of the time I would use steel wool like this and rotate it myself and try and knock some fire scale off of there. Putting this on here and just holding that, let's see here, this steel wool like that, along with a bunch of other trash that's attached to it. There we go, we got some cleaner steel wool. So, and then the drill would rotate and clean that out easier. I don't know, I thought these were pretty cool. But yeah, that's pretty much my mail time. I got these things, I got some necklaces, and I got some copper solder paste. If anybody would like to check out my store website and see a coin ring made live here on this live, right? Like I'll make your ring here right in front of you, step by step. You can tap the gold chain down here by the chat, or tap my logo, go to my profile, and click on my website. Go look at some of the stuff I make. If you see something you like and want to order it, I'll get right to work on it. So I'll give you guys a couple minutes to go check out the website. There's like 500 of you in here. If all y'all go to the website, I'm sure at least one of you will pick something, and then you can all watch me make it. That'd be pretty cool. Look at these things. They come out really nice. So go check it out. Let me know if anybody's interested. Put this with the copper wire. Nice. We got new necklaces. Should be interesting. See about making like a simple little pendant. This is a center punch from a quarter, Illinois quarter. And what I'm going to do is just punch a hole in it, put a jump ring on it, and maybe a second jump ring, and try and make a quick pendant. Just do a little demo, see how it goes. Got 1,000 likes on this live. Thank you guys very much. Very cool, very cool. Get my hole punch tool here. Try and figure out where I want to punch a hole in it. Get that nice and lined up-ish. Try not to punch a hole in its head. See if I missed him. Yeah, that's good. All right. Set that right there. Get us a little jump ring. Pop that on there. And we'll try it with just one jump ring and see how it looks. Again, I haven't done much with necklaces, so this is some early days product research here, DNR. These are all tied together. Yeah. defeated by a single purple knot. Come on now. There we go. We just need one of them. There's one. We'll just pop the cord in that jump ring. There we go. Like that. Grab some needle nose. Grab some other needle nose. Some delicate stuff here. Alright, we'll try and get that in the camera view. That's about the best I can do, but we're just going to move those two pieces together there like that. And there's a little preview. I think that looks pretty cute. Honestly, I'm pleasantly surprised with how nice that looks. Any opinions? What do you guys think? I thought it might have been too small, but I think with the cord size, the pendant size, I think that's not bad. Yeah, that's cool. Very nice, very nice. You think it's beautiful? So what do you think about offering like something like this as an add-on with your ring? Or should I just do these like as a completely separate item? It would probably be like $15 to $20 is my guess. Probably closer to 20. And then if this was silver, it would probably be more. It's pretty cool. Simple little latch back here. And this is a good length of a necklace. Let's see how tight it is. It's a little tight for a dude like me. I don't know. Pretty cool. Definitely not a bad trial run. Tinker with this a little more, see what else we can put on here. I think a cowboy hat would look pretty cool too. See if I got any here I can experiment with. We got this one. Not the best example, but we'll see if we can get it to work. I'll just put a bunch of make a taco. I've made tacos. Made taco coins. So we'll just call this one the demo necklace and just put a bunch of different charms on it. See which ones I like the best. There we go. We just thread that through there and close it up. And toss it around a little bit. There we go. This one's a kind of an angle. Usually I would put the whole 1/4" punch fit, or would the punch be too small? That would be pretty small. So that would be the size of the top of this. And that's the size of the hole, the smallest hole I can punch in coins. So that would be pretty on the edge. Pretty tiny. It's pretty cute. Let's see them side by side. It's funny they're both Illinois. I mean, this is kind of cool. Like you get it layered, like center punch over the hat. Same design. Probably not the way to go, but interesting. I don't know. Just spitballing here. Thought I'd show off. Got a couple things I need to pack up, so I'm going to get to that. Hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.